Hi everyone, welcome to ROVE-Cam, and my name is Andy, and today I'm going to hop on this short video and we're going to show you guys how to connect Wi-Fi to your Android device. A lot of the customers are complaining to us that they are not getting this extra message as we have written in the user manual. I want to show you guys, this is a brand new Google Pixel XL we just got a couple weeks ago, and I'm gonna use it to kind of show you how to connect the ROVE Wi-Fi. So we got this brand new dash cam here. This is a brand new box, all upgraded, guys. This is a wonderful camera. Anyway, without wasting time, we're gonna hop right on it. So first, what we're gonna do is the camera is not recording, right? So you can see it's not recording. And what we want to do is first you're going to press and hold the emergency lock button to turn on the Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi mode is on.
Right, so now Wi-Fi is on and now the camera is going to show you all the directions on here. But you can just leave it right there. Now Wi-Fi is on, right? That's Wi-Fi mode is on. Okay, good. I'm going to leave it right there. Now on your Android, all you have to do is go to your, and by the way, today is December 11th. 2018, and I'm making this video, and we can even check the date today, see when I made this video. So today's date, and today's Tuesday, December 11, 2018. All right, guys, and as you could see, the time is 10:30 p.m. So I'm making this right now, and so without further ado, guys, we're gonna go right onto the settings. So turn on the Wi-Fi first, go to your settings app, and then go to network and internet. And this is all brand new Android, guys. This is all updated. And then when you go to the Wi-Fi, and then you pick the ROVE R2-4K Wi-Fi, if it's gonna show up here any moment. Oh, wrong one. Accidentally touched it. See, ROVE R2-4K dashcam Wi-Fi is showing up. So all you gotta do is touch that, and it's gonna ask you for a password. All right, guys, now when you enter the password 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, this is the default password, and all you have to do, I'm going to bring this a little bit closer, all you have to do is hit connect. When you hit connect, you let it connect. It's going to say no internet, which is fine. Now there's going to be a pop-up showing up. Now this is the most important I want to show you guys, and it's going to be coming up any moment. There it is right there. As soon as it shows up, you tap there for the options, and when you tap it, there you go, guys. See that? It is showing you that ROVE R2-4K dashcam has no internet connection. Do you still want to stay connected? We're going to say yes, but before we do that, we're going to check this box. So don't ask this again for this network, okay? So your phone remembers this setting. So every time you connect to the internet, to the ROVE Wi-Fi, you don't have to do this every time. You just simply hit connect, it will remember your password, and then you're set to go. You just have to do this the first time you initially do it. And now I'm just going to say yes. I want to connect it, and don't ask again. And when you hit yes, boom. Okay, it's connected. And as you could see, I'm going to grab the camera here. There you go. Now you got the MAC ID right there. That means it's connected, okay? Because all the instructions are gone. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to press home button now. Get out. Guys, I can't see with the camera. And now all I'm going to do is open the ROVE app. ROVE. And I have already pre-installed the ROVE app. Simply open that. And what you will see is camera will sync automatically with your Android device. There you go, guys. What you see is the sponge. God, I need to show you guys. See, this is the phone. This is... it's hard for me to show you. It's tricky, right? See that? This is live view of my office. This is my Mac, and I got all this junk right there. So pardon me, guys, you know. But you could see this, right? And this is my tripod right here and everything. So I'm going to leave it right here just while it's connected. And you can see the sponge hole right there, which is fine. And then you could go to folders. You could see all the videos that you recorded. And, you know, you could access everything, right? You could play any video that you like. Think of the car as our business, you know. So, right, so I was talking to someone. We were talking about some stuff. So anyway, I'm going to go back because those were all private conversation while this was laying on my desk all day long. And you can keep this on all the time, no problem, you know what I mean? And then you can play another video if you like. See, it plays it, right? Video is playing at this moment, and I'm playing around with it, and you could turn it sideways. It'll work just fine. Anyway, guys, so you know what to do, and you can just simply go back to the ROVE app. You guys know that it works fine. This is a brand new Google Pixel XL. It just came out, and it's a beautiful phone, by the way. But this camera is even beautiful, so forget Google. Get the ROVE R2-4K, guys. So anyway, I was just joking. Just to turn on the Wi-Fi, all you gotta do is press and hold the emergency lock button for 2 seconds.
Wi-Fi mode is off.
There you go. As soon as you turn on Wi-Fi, you're back in the video mode, and the app just lost that Wi-Fi, so it's gonna give you that message. That's fine, no problem. See, now it's back to the main screen, right? So we're gonna do this real quick. We're gonna do it again. So I'm gonna turn off the ROVE app. I'm gonna go to home. I'm gonna turn on the Wi-Fi.
Wi-Fi mode is on.
Great, Wi-Fi mode is on. All I'm gonna do is go to the settings, network and internet, and Wi-Fi. And then all I gotta do is watch both things simultaneously. Connecting the ROVE R2-4K. You got the MAC ID now, which is fine. And there will be no more message because we checked that box that says don't ask again, right? Boom, you're done. Now all you gotta do is, I'm gonna put this down, guys. I cannot do this with one hand. Go to home, open the ROVE app. R-O-V-E, there it is. And then it should be connecting. Okay, I didn't try this before, but it should be working. There you go, guys. See, it's magic. So it's as simple as that, guys. You just have to get that message. If you don't get it, that means something's wrong with your Android system. I currently have no idea what is wrong, how to solve it, but we tried it on many Android devices and it works just fine. As you could see, I can scroll this everything live. Camera is connected and screensaver comes on. It's flawlessly, it's gonna work. All right, guys, I'm gonna stop this video. It's already 7 minutes. Hope you guys found this helpful, and thank you so much for being our valued customer. I really appreciate it. And please reach out to us if you have any questions. We'll try to solve it. Our engineers are working on trying to figure out why some of the customers don't get that message, the pop-up message that I just show you. And some get it. Most people who get it is fine. Very few people, they don't get it, and I don't know what kind of settings we need to change, but I should hear from them and we will get to the bottom of this. Anyway, thanks again. And again, my name is Andy from ROVE Cam, and thanks for watching. Cheers, guys. Have a great day. Thank you.